In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a RAR file in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by locating the RAR file you want to extract on your Windows 11 computer. If you do not already have a tool installed for opening RAR files, open any web browser and search for 7-zip, then press enter. Open the official 7-zip website at 7-zip.org. On the Downloads page, click Download for the version that matches your system, such as the 64-bit version. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once that's done and 7-zip is ready on your computer, open File Explorer from the taskbar. Navigate to the folder that contains the RAR file you want to extract. When you find the file, right-click it and select Show More Options. In the expanded menu, hover over 7-zip to see the available extraction options. Next, click Extract To, followed by the folder name shown in quotes. This will create a new folder and automatically place all the extracted files inside it. Wait a few moments while 7-zip extracts the contents of the RAR file. Once the extraction is complete, look in the same location as the original RAR file. You should see a newly created folder with the extracted contents. Double-click that folder to open it. You can now browse through the extracted files and open any of them as needed. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.